when you come here, take profit, because this is a resistance, and here is TP2. Take profit number 2. It shows that market can turn here, can go back because it's a resistance. And even this one, it shows that you have to take your profit even here. And then the last one here, TP3. As you can see, the market is going down. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You see how why market goes down here. Look, this is a support and this is a resistance. To prove that, I said you have to put all the everything I gave you. So let's go and take another one and put it here. All of them, put them. Look, wow. You see, now it's talking. Now it's talking. See, this is a resistance. Look, that's why market goes down here. Hit this resistance and go down. So market just hit this support. Now it's want to go up. You see, want to go up because it hit this support. Even this one is a support, but this one is untested support. But this is tested, but it's very weak support. Market can break it at any time. That's why I said market will go down here to test all this support, because even this one is untested. So, and this one is weak, which means market will break this one and go down to test all this support before going up. Look at this, guys. This is very simple. All you can put any whatever you want to trade. This is VIX 75. Let me take maybe VIX 10. VIX 10 and put it here. We drag it, put it here. Analyze for you. Look, it's analyzing for you. Wow, you see how simple it is. So market just hit here